Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Fine friends, the wait is over for the release date of the Realme GT Neo 2 and finally it has been confirmed by the Realme team as well. The exact release date for the Realme GT Neo 2 will be on 13th of October. Yes, so 13th of October around 12:30 p.m. the Realme GT Neo 2 will be launching officially. And the phone has got really amazing features. For example, Snapdragon 870 chipset, which has got really good cooling system. That's what the Realme they did climb because of having the diamond particles cooling system. Apart from that, so we do have the display panel of the E4 AMOLED panel, so which is quite similar to the Mi11X E4 AMOLED panel, which we did see before, which is a 120 Hz refresh rate and 65 watt super dot charger. And the phone has got the battery capacity of 5000 mAh of battery capacity in the Realme GT Neo 2. 5000, yes. So 5000 mAh of battery and 65 watt super dot charger. That's going to be really very interesting, friends. And let me know in the comment section below, are you interested in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not, and what will be the price details of the Realme GT Neo 2? What do you think exactly? What kind of range? So maybe in this kind of competition right now, maybe if the phone has got slightly kind of close to 30,000 range, that could be really good deal to buy the Realme GT Neo 2. So maybe that might give solid advantage for this Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the price range. That's what I'm expecting. But let me know in the comment section below, what do you think, what will be the price? So if they launch around close to 32,000, maybe if they give the bank discount offer, like promotional offer, instant 1,500 discount, something like that. If it comes close to 30,000, that would be really great. But if it comes less than 30,000, that will be fantastic deal as well. That's another option which we do have. So unfortunately, this phone did not get launched during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. Maybe they want to clear all the GT previous series. I think so, but still. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friend. These are news which are a lot of sharing with you all. So stay tuned for more updates as well. So very soon we're going to see the launch of the Realme GT Neo 2. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.